Suckers of Israeli storms Al-Aqsa compound for Passover. Israel arrests deaf-mute Palestinian in West Bank. 4 killed in foiled terrorist attack in Saudi Arabia. Sudan's Bashir suffer minor stroke, medical source. Sudan members of ousted president's party arrested. Sudan power shift to civilian government discussed. Tripoli airport resumes operations after brief closure. Libya, 10 Khalifa Haftar killed in Saturday clashes. Baghdad summit concludes with stress on Iraq's unity. US man arrested for racist threat to kill Umar dams. Muslim Council of Sri Lanka condemns deadly bombing. Myanmar, jail rages journalist wait final ruling.